Hi Vogue, it's me, your Cheryl. I'm so excited and honored to be featured on VOGUE's beauty video for this week. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my guides to summer skincare essential and summer makeup look for this season. So let's get started. I wish I was in the actual VOGUE beauty video. First, I'm gonna cleanse my face using the Cetaphil. I have a relatively sensitive skin, so I like to use this because it's very gentle. Alright, so that now that my face is clean, I'm gonna go right into my skincare. First, I like to go on with my Avene spray. I really like to use this because it really calms my skin. So next, I'm gonna move it to my Sun and Sky moisturizer. I almost finished this hydration boost cream. I really like it because it's very gentle for me. My skin doesn't create any breakout or anything, so I really love using this. Next, I'm gonna be using this intense serum from Delphini. Right now, I'm still at the beginning stage of trying out to see if my skin reacts well to it. When I first started using it, I kind of used this and my next product like every single day, and I realized that my skin doesn't really react so well with too much skincare. Because I have sensitive skin, I like to keep my skincare routine as simple as possible. So when I started adding new skincare into my skincare routine, you can tell that my skin is reacting a little bit, so I reduced the frequency of using new skincare. So I only use this 2 to 3 times a week. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Niacinamide poster from the Paula's Choice. I only apply it 2 to 3 times a week. Like my skin to slowly adapt to the new skincare. I'm gonna go in with my facial oil. I enjoy this facial oil a lot. It is so pretty and it has this like shimmering finish. I am using it every single day and it doesn't cause any bad reactions to my skin. For a summer skincare, it is very important for me to have that glowy skin. This facial oil can give that extra glow to my skin. For my lip, I like to use my Burt's Lip Balm. Alright, while in the meantime, I'm waiting for my skincare to set in my face before I put on any makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead to drink my healthy acai. I'm gonna go right into my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This is the best concealer I've ever had. It is so natural and it doesn't cake up your face. I am just gonna let it sit, and while in the meantime, I'm gonna go with my Dior Backstage foundations, and I'm gonna add some glowy highlighting fluid from Chanel. So now that I've mixed these two, and I'm just gonna go in, blend it with my concealer as well. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer. This is much more fairer than my skin tone, so I'm gonna use this to highlight my under eye. I'll use my finger to distribute the product and kind of blend them. Next, I like to go in with my Color Fix Rose Glow Enhancer Drop. It gives that extra glow. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Cream Contour. This is the color Macchiato. And then I'm gonna go in with my angle brush. Then I'm just gonna lightly go through my nose. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Giorgio Armani lipstick. This is number 500. I'm gonna use this as cream blushes. This will give a very natural blushes look. Don't worry that it looks like really a lot at the moment. Just gonna keep blending with my fingers, and then you will see that the color will slowly blend into the skin and create this really natural blushes look. It's time to kind of set my face. I'm gonna go in first with my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker. I'm just gonna go over to my contour area. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva palette. I'm gonna be mixing all this fall color. Next, I'm going in with my Maqpro powder. I am going with my beauty blender and just kind of press it on the powder. Moving on to the eyebrow, I'm using my Anastasia eyebrow pomade and the color I'm using is medium brown. I'm going to be using a smaller angle brush. Sometimes what I like to do is to use my hand to kind of lift up my eyebrow. I'm going to go back to my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker and I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I'm going to go over to my eyelid. That I love using this as the base is because it creates a very cohesive look. Then I like to go into my eye and then kind of link them into my eyebrow. I'm just gonna brushing it outward. To add more dimensions, I'm going into my Maqpro palette and I am mixing these two together, and then I'm just gonna go over to my outer corner and then follow that crease line, moving upwards. And next I'm gonna go in with my Mar Jacob. This is dark brown liner. I'm gonna lift up. I'm gonna use the angle brush. Apply this on here. Then I'm just gonna go and connect them to my lower lash line. Eye makeup this time, I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I'm using this lash leaf from Maybelline New York. So I'm gonna go in to curl my lashes. And now you see that this is the difference after the second coat, and this is only the first coat, and look how different it is. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go with my highlighters. So recently I've been using this from Veronique Gabai. It's a cream base, so you can control your highlighter. Tip of my nose. I'm going in with my fingers to like blend that out, and you can see that it is not too much, but it gives the like really subtle glow. Then I'm gonna go in with my fingers a little bit at my inner corner. Alright, one last thing before we move on to my lip. What's better way to finish your summer skin look with false freckles? So I'm gonna go in with my angle brush and back to the eyeshadow palette that I'm using earlier. So I'm just gonna use the tip. I think it's really cute to have this false freckle on a summer makeup look, because now it looks very unnatural. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and then I'm just gonna softly tap into my skin. I'm gonna be mixing these two lip liner. So this is from Huda Beauty, which is a warm brown, and this one is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a pillow talk. Then I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury. And then I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty Turquoise Lip Balm. This is the color Pinch Me. This is very moisturizing. And then I'm gonna go in with my Rosé All Day. This is peach color. One last step to complete my summer look is my hair oil. I am using this Coco and Eve Hair Elixir, my current favorite hair oil. Once I apply this and then brush it off, it will make it so smooth. And I like to focus a lot more on from the middle length until all the way down, because that's where I usually get a lot of that frizzy hair. You see how smooth my hair look right now, how healthy it looks and how smooth after applying the hair oil. So yeah, this is my final look for my summer makeup look for this season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and push the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and make sure to follow my Instagram over here. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video.